I'll just give you a small introduction about myself. I'm a Brahmin,
Mhm.
right? I come from a Brahmin family, right? And I have studied science. I'm myself an engineer, right? And
Right.
a part of that, I've also studied some part of Vedas, and I've done some,
Mhm.
uh, some research on that as well. So, as I can say about myself, right? As a Hindu, what I believe about the creation, right? We were already there. We It is not that, today somebody has created. No, 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 no. We were already there. We will always be there.
So it wasn't
And
nothing. It wasn't nothing. We, according to you, we were always there eternally. So there
we
wasn't
will,
nothing.
yeah, we were always there, and we will be always there. And only the form is going to be
The,
changed,
see, the reason
right?
I'm asking, because a few minutes ago you said we come from
Yeah,
nothing
yeah.
and we go to nothing. So is it that we come from nothing or that we were always there? Which one is it?
We No, no, no. I will, quote. I will quote about the Bhagavad Gita, right? We and I About that we were already there, and we will
So
always be there. The only part, this is a very long journey, right? It's about a very long journey.
okay, but I'm a
In
bit
which
confused. You have to clarify this for me. Like I'm a bit confused. You first said that we come from nothing and we return to nothing, and now you're saying
nothingness is always there. See, the point is that we are talking about creation, right? We are talking about something, creation. And if we are talking about creation, that should be something. It cannot be, the creation cannot happen, without something. That should be. And I'll tell you a story about this. Huh?
before
What
before this
Upanishad.
before this Seeker, before the story, please clarify this for me. Which is it that you believe, that we came from nothing and we will
See,
return to nothing?
I personally believe that we were always there and we will always be there. But as per you don't know the Hindu perspective, the literature and these things. I'll just put forward about that. That the Brahma,
Yeah.
the Ishvara, the Brahma was complete, right? He himself is complete. He doesn't matter that you pray him, you don't pray him,
So okay,
you
okay, 1 minute. When you refer to Brahma, right? Is this what is this being? That the Brahma? What is the being? Tell us.
he is not a being. It's not about being. Being is, very small
So okay, what is
thing to put
Brahma?
it.
What is Brahma? Brahma.
Brahma is Satchidananda. It means everlasting, which has always been there, which is always will be there from infinity to infinity. It
Uh-huh.
doesn't matter that a human on anybody. I'm sorry, any any form of you worship him, you don't worship him. You're an atheist, you're
Uh-huh.
XYZ, whoever you are, right? It doesn't matters because Brahma is Brahma. Is complete. He's Purna. He's he he is just complete.
Yeah,
So
it's very similar to what we believe about Allah. That Allah has always been there, eternal,
yes,
absolute, complete, unlike
the
anything you can
Brahma,
imagine.
yeah, the Brahma is like, is complete.
Okay,
He
so
and
Seeker,
everybody.
help me understand this. Help me understand this, please, because I don't want to forget my questions because it's very interesting. Brahma is complete, is eternal. We're not saying being now. Just say Brahma. Okay, is it complete,
Brahma.
eternal, independent, unlike anything we can conceive of. Okay, that's what we get from what you're saying. Yes. Now, at the same time, you said that we as humans have always been there. Now, what is the
No, no,
difference
no, no, no.
between?
Not. I'll just quote. We as humans, not necessary that you have always been a human.
No, not
You may
human.
be some kind of a human. You today
Okay,
you're a human.
yeah, okay,
Probably
so yeah,
the
so this,
energy.
yeah, the energy of you, right? Your
Yeah,
energy, you're
the
saying, has
see
always been there. Mhm.
the Chetan has traveled. It's a very long journey, right? It's
Okay,
a very long
so
journey
what's the difference between
from
the
a
Chetan and the Brahma?
the yeah the che, Okay, I'll come. What's the difference between the Chetan and the Brahma?
Because when you explain them, they seem like the same thing. Both are
Nahin,
eternal.
nahin, nahin.
Both have no beginning.
They are, no, no, no. I'll just, I'll put it in a different, Brahma is different, and Chetan and Achetan is different. I'll
How are they
just put
different?
it,
Yeah.
I'll put it in a, perspective. See, the Chetan, the energy. Today, humans, it is not that we have been humans forever. No, we have traveled a really long journey to be a human.
Yeah,
Right, we have
I
traveled
understand
a
what you're saying.
journey.
Yeah, I
We
understand.
have traveled a journey from a plant, from a seed, from a tree. Then we have been a crawling animal. Probably, I don't know. I'm
Okay,
not saying
so
that I know
we're talking
everything.
about rebirth, different lives, basically. We come,
Yeah,
the
so
energy comes
every
unfolded.
energy, everything, point by point, we have, we have so many yonis, so many
Seeker,
animals.
I understand what you're saying, but what I'm trying to, I'm talking about the fundamental point here. The Chetan, the energy that you're referring to, which is us now, yes, this
Hmm.
energy, and you talked about Brahma. You told you what you've said about both is that they're both eternal, right? No
Yes.
beginning, no end. So, what is
No,
difference between Brahma and Chetan? What is the
there
difference?
is
Please tell me.
there's no difference.
So
That
then,
is
why
basically, that is the
why
whole point, is that
okay? So
that is the whole point.
why are you calling them two separate things if there's no difference?
So there's like the bottle and the water in the ocean, right? It is only the shape which is the difference. The bottle, the water there in the
So okay,
ocean,
so what you're saying then is
the
that you are
shape.
Brahma.
Yeah, I am
You
Brahma, you are Brahma, you are Bhagwan. The word Bhagwan, which we call, right? It is not necessary that we call to Bhagwan anybody, Bhagwan Ram, Bhagwan Krishna. No, I can call you Bhagwan Imran. I can
okay?
call
No,
myself Bhagwan.
please don't do
The
that. But
point is that, no, no,
yes,
no. The point is that, what is that? I can call anybody Bhagwan who has realized this thing, who has realized, and there are so many Mahatmas and so many, in the past who have realized, and we call them Bhagwan. We call them
okay.
Bhagwan.
So Chetan, we need to wrap this up, bro. But look, here's
Yeah,
what.
yeah,
So
yeah.
are you saying that Brahma? You don't want to call Brahma God? Firstly, yeah, you don't want to refer to him as God. Yeah.
See,
Um,
we don't call anybody God. I can call you God. God is
okay. So
Bhagwan. Bhagwan is like
okay.
Imran Bhagwan.
So what? Here's what I'll say, just to wrap from my perspective.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What you said about Brahma, I would say this being that you're referring to, I would say this is the being that created everything, is the source of everything, right? We call this being Allah, right? This is, we call Allah the eternal being without beginning, without end, unlike anything you could imagine. However, where I would disagree with you is where you say that you and me as energy are a part of this being. The difference is what we say as Muslims is that we are not a part of the creation, is not what, call it energy or physical things, is not a part of God. God created these things via how? Via his will and his power, right? No, and these are limited things, these are ephemeral things, these are things that have limitations. Brahma, as you refer to, we say Allah is unlimited, eternal, without any deficiencies. Okay, so you can't associate deficient things, lowly things, weak things with this eternal being, because the eternal being is perfect and everything else is not perfect. So this is where I would disagree with you. Does that make sense?
Uh, well, we will talk on this. We can have
Let's
discussions
pick
on.
this up later. But
Yeah,
have a think about
yeah,
this
yeah.
as well, please. Yeah. And then
Yeah,
we'll pick up
definitely.
next week.
I will definitely, we can have these things, a discussion on this. But I definitely will think of what you have told me.